At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a woodworking business can be an exciting venture for those passionate about crafting wood into beautiful, functional pieces. However, like any business, it requires careful planning, dedication, and strategic thinking to succeed in a competitive market. Whether you're crafting custom furniture, intricate carvings, or handmade decor, here are the top 10 tips to help you kickstart your woodworking business on the path to success. Top 10 tips for starting a woodworking business. 1. Define your niche. Identify the specific products or services you'll offer within the woodworking industry. Whether it's custom furniture, cabinetry, or artisanal woodwork, focus on a niche that aligns with your skills and passions. 2. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. A well-thought-out plan will guide your business decisions and help secure funding if needed. 3. Invest in quality tools and equipment. Invest in high-quality tools and equipment suited to your woodworking needs. While it may require an initial investment, reliable tools are essential for producing top-notch craftsmanship and improving efficiency. 4. Master your craft. Continuously hone your woodworking skills through practice, workshops, and online resources. Strive for excellence in craftsmanship to set your business apart from competitors and build a reputation for quality. 5. Build a strong online presence. Establish a professional website and utilize social media platforms to showcase your work and attract potential customers. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses, client testimonials, and engaging content to connect with your audience. 6. Network within the industry. Attend woodworking events, join local woodworking clubs, and network with other professionals in the industry. Building relationships with suppliers, fellow artisans, and potential collaborators can open doors to new opportunities and resources. 7. Offer customization and personalization. Stand out in the market by offering customizable options tailored to your customers' preferences. Whether it's with species, finishes, or design details, providing personalized solutions can attract clientele seeking unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. 8. Provide excellent customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction by offering attentive service, clear communication, and timely delivery. Building trust and rapport with your clients can lead to repeat business, referrals, and positive reviews. 9. Price your products competitively. Research the market to determine competitive pricing for your woodworking products or services. Consider factors such as material costs, labor, overhead expenses, and desired profit margins to set fair yet profitable prices. 10. Focus on marketing and branding. Develop a distinctive brand identity that reflects your woodworking style, values, and story. Utilize marketing strategies such as SEO, email campaigns, and collaborations with influencers to expand your reach and attract a loyal customer base. Conclusion: starting a woodworking business requires more than just skill with the tools. It demands strategic planning, dedication, and a passion for craftsmanship. By following these top 10 tips, you can lay a solid foundation for your woodworking venture and carve out a successful niche in the market. Stay focused, continuously improve your skills, and delight your customers with quality workmanship and exceptional service to thrive in the woodworking industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached,